Hi everybody, so today's video is on another Bemba proverb. Let's go straight to it. Sunga umukoshi, ubulungu tabwaya. Let's translate in English. Take care of your neck. Necklaces are not difficult to find. Or keep your neck. The beads to round your neck are not difficult to find. What's the meaning of this proverb? It means hold on to life. Nothing is as hard as it looks. This proverb is also a message to the young African women to keep themselves pure, because at the right time, the right man will come along. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're the first to know when I post a new video. And please like and share my videos.